Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you the best and simple method of removing hair with this paintless wax at home. If you are interested, please keep watching and subscribe to my channel to see all my new videos. So these are the wax beans that I bought from Amazon with this melter, and I bought both of them for about I think $30. So I will put my wax in the melter and I will let them until it's melted. I think it will take 5 minutes to be totally done. This is how it looks when it's totally melted. Okay, so I'm gonna be trying it on my arms. My arms look very hairy, but I think it will work. I think a lot of videos shows us how it's good to be waxing and how the skin looks good after waxing, but they don't show us how to wax by ourselves and at home. So in this video I will show you the best and simple method to do it by yourself and at home. So we're gonna try it together. Put one layer on your skin. It should be thick from the bottom because you're gonna put it off from that part and wait 1 minute until it's completely dry. Actually, it doesn't take a lot of time. It dries very quickly, and after that, put it off. See, it removes all the hair and it's really not painful as well as the other hair removals. Okay, so we will try it again in the same part. So I'm gonna put one layer, and as I said, we should let it be thicker from the bottom. And we'll wait until it's completely dry. Rip it off. Okay, here am I doing it again for the whole arm. That one is painful. Oh my god. Actually, this wax works for the hair. It removes all the hair, even the smallest one. But it's painful. Will I use it again? Yes. If I wanna wax, I will use it again because it works. Don't forget to use moisturizing cream after waxing. I'm using here my homemade moisturizing cream that I prepared in one of my videos. If you want to see how, just check the link that I will let you in the description below. Another thing, if you want to see how to remove hair with Arabic wax and how to prepare it at your home, I will leave you the link in the description below. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and comment please. Goodbye, thank you.